Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a DIY and I'm going to show you how to make a cork board ornament for your Christmas tree, and it's very easy and fun to do. So if you want to stay tuned and see how I do it, then keep on watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell to get notified when I post, and thumbs up this video and comment down below what you want to see next on KMH television. And other than that, let's just jump right into the DIY. Okay, so if you want to see how I do it, you're gonna have to look at InSync, and I'm sorry. And this is the best way I can set up my area. So you need a old stocking of any kind, doesn't have to be this specific kind, and then ornament or a cork board or whatever you're going to use to make it, and then a hat, like a Santa hat, and I got this at the not the Dollar Tree store, Bath and Body Works a couple years ago. And then some of the stocking, like the white part that is on top of the stocking, for something on there. And I'll show you how I do everything. And you need a hot glue gun, and then glue sticks to do it, scissors, and then a marker to trace your cork or whatever it is. And if you decide to decorate it, use pom-poms or whatever you have on hand. Other than that, let's just go into it, and I will not make you watch me do everything in one setting. So I'll just do part of it and then come back. I'm gonna go over here so it'll be easy, so I have more space to make more stuff. Okay, let's do that. And you could see some excess on the top of the second round circle. So all you have to do is just cut it and make it even, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we got the circle cut out. Now this is the fun, hard, tricky part. So just find wherever you want your circle to be. And I think I want mine in the white area, because I have some ideas that I want to do. So I'm just going to cut this part out once again, because I already cut this one from another stocking that I had on hand. So we're just going to cut the white part out and then figure where we want that, and then hot glue, and we will be right back. Alright, so let's just cut you out.